Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to create a dashboard for sales analysis. A sales dashboard helps users track real-time sales performance, identify key trends, and make smarter data-driven decisions. Sales analysis dashboards help businesses save time, improve efficiency, make informed decisions, and boost team collaboration by providing real-time insights, customizable views, and a clear understanding of sales performance and trends. In this video, I will show you how to create a dashboard for sales analysis. First, let me create a new dashboard and name it Sales Analysis Dashboard. Next, I create a data source using PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details like the name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. I click Connect, which opens the query designer, and enable the code option since I already have the query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database. Next, I click Update to see a preview of the data and save the data source. Next, to create a dashboard for sales analysis, I add a combo box to the dashboard designer, which allows users to select the year. Next, let me customize its properties. I name the widget Year in the Properties panel. I add the order date to values in the Assigned Data section. Then I click Enable Multi-Select. Allow Filter. Disable the Act as Master Widget option. Entitle Auto Font Size. And adjust font size. Next, I add a number card to show the total sales on the dashboard designer. I customize its properties. I name the widget Total Sales in the Properties panel. To calculate the total sales, I click the Add Expression dialog. Add the sales name and expression, and save it. Then, I add the sales to measure in the Assigned Data section. I format the value to currency. I change the horizontal alignment in the Appearance section to center. Change the title position to top. And click Enable Animation in the Animation section. Next, I add a column chart to display sales by channels and customize its properties. I name the widget Sales by Channels. Then I add sales to the value and channel to the column in the Assigned Data section. Next, I click Enable Animation. Show Value Label. And disable both the Show Axis titles. Next, let me add a spline chart to show the sales trend on the dashboard designer and customize its properties. I name the widget Sales Trend. I add sales to the value and year in the column in the Assigned Data. Next, I click Enable Animation and Show Value Label and select 45 degrees from the Value Label Rotation dropdown. Then, I disable interactivity in the Legend setting. Then, change the position to Top. Enable Forecast setting. Decrease the length to 5 and adjust the color. Next, disable both the Show Axis titles. In the same way I added total sales, I add a number card to display the total products. I add another number card to display the total order. Next, I add a number card to display the total companies. I add another number card to display the total countries. Next, I add a bar chart to show the top 5 countries by sales and customize its properties. I name the widget the top 5 countries by sales. Then I add sales to the value and country to the column in the assigned data. Format the value to currency. And apply filter to display only the top 5 countries based on sales. Next, I click Enable Animation and Show Value Label. Then, I disable Interactivity and Show Axis Title. And choose the bar color. Next, I add the bar chart to display the top 5 products by sales. I add the bar chart to display the top 5 companies by sales. Next, I'll add a doughnut chart to show the total orders by shipping mode and customize its properties. I name the widget Total Orders by Shipping Mode. Add Order ID to the value, Shipping Via to the column, and Order ID count in the Tooltip section in Assigned Data. I click Enable Animation. Change the data label to percentage. Enable the show legend. Disable interactivity. Change the position to top. And change the shape to series type. Lastly, I add a grid widget to show the product summary. I customize its properties by naming it Product Summary. Then I add product name, product per quantity, unit price, units sold, and units in stock fields. Next, I enable Fit to Content. Vertical grid lines allow cell selection, allow text wrap for title, and allow text wrap for content. Now everything is ready to preview the dashboard. I click Preview. See, the dashboard is rendered in preview mode. Once the dashboard is created, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. In this video, you have learned how to create a dashboard for sales analysis. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.